Every RV on the market has a unique drainage system of holding tanks and drain pipes to handle wastewater. Fresh water supply systems also include freshwater holding tanks and supply lines. Based on cold room testing, ultra heat protected holding tanks and drainage systems in the open underbelly of an RV are good to minus 11 degrees Fahrenheit. Heaters installed in enclosed and insulated underbellies will provide protection to even lower temperatures. When the outside temperature drops to freezing or below, your black, gray, and freshwater holding tanks, as well as drainage and supply lines, are in danger of freezing up. The frozen liquid and solid waste can block the drainage system and prevent it from being dumped. Freshwater tanks can turn to ice. When that happens, your recreational vehicle's major conveniences, toilets, sinks, and showers are inoperable. And for all practical purposes, so is your RV. That's why your vehicle's liquid drainage systems need the protection and peace of mind that only the Ultra Heat heating system can provide.